before the game, if somebody was to say 4-1 victory away from home, coming to Cardiff Met, are you going to take it? Of course we would do, and especially off the back of some not disappointing performances, more to do with results really, because the lads have been from day one, from pre-season, they've been unbelievable. I think we got our rewards today, and we justify the 3 points thoroughly, and we scored some really good goals as well, so yeah, it was a good afternoon.
I was saying to lads in the car, it's not often I come here and win. I think I won once here with TNS many years ago, so to come here and win, it was such a hard place to come here. Cardiff Met, as we know, I've won once and had a couple of draws, but I usually lose here, so to win, it's a nice feeling.
Siomedig dros ben yn y chwaraewyr. Ni sydd yn boss o'r gêm i ddechrau gyda, wedyn ni roi gol i ffwrdd fel yna. Gol really soft. Wedyn ni'n mynd lan mewn i hanner amser cael chat am hyn yma rhaid ni'n neud, ni'n sgorio gol ardderchog trwy ffymper. Oedd yn bright trwy'r dydd gyda llaw. A wedyn ni, dyna ffordd ni'n amddiffyn ar gyfer yr ail trydydd o'r pedwerydd. A jyst dwi ddim digon da. Ac mae'r boys mewn fanna nawr, fi wedi gweud, look, mae drosodd i chi. Mae drosodd i chi, mae chi sydd wedi cael eich hunan yn twllyn, chi sydd gorfod mynd mas unwaith maen nhw'n croesi'r llinell wen a nhw sydd mewn charge o wneud penderfyniadau. Dim byd wedi newid yr ffordd fi wedi hyfforddi, na dim byd ffordd yna. Boys sydd wedi cymryd liberties, ac mae'n anffodus dyna beth sy'n digwydd. Yn gweud na, ni ddim yn gweld lot fawr yn y gêm rhwng dau tîm. Dau tîm ddim o safon arbennig o dda o gwbl heddi, ond y gwahaniaeth oedd nhw yn potent iawn yn ein bocs ni, a oedd amddiffyn y bocs nhw yn eitha dda hefyd. Ond fi'n gweld pam mae'r record o ddau tîm really wedi bod yn eitha sal. Hyd hynny, ond chwarae teg nhw sydd wedi dod fan hyn heddi a curo ni 4 gol i 1.
I think we scored a good time just before half time. It's always a good time to score, but up until that point, wasn't much in the game. You know, Cardiff Met make it competitive. They are a really hard team to break down, so we just took our chances when they came, really, as opposed to them.
We've got to use this as a catalyst now to move on to the next game, and the lads are really buzzing with the performance and with the results, to come all this way and get 3 points. We're made up.